Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Just Connect account password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in justconnect.com.ng and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official webpage of Just Connect. Click on the login link at the top right next to the register button, and you'll end up in the sign in area. To log in and access your account, you'll need to type in a username along with your password. In the process, if you ever forget your password and you don't know what to do next, click on the forgot password link. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email address that is associated with the Just Connect account and click on the proceed button. You'll receive an email with instructions for setting up a new password. If your account exists with the email address you entered, you'll receive an email right away. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and click on the link sent to you from the platform to create a new password for your account and reset it into something else. Follow the prompts till the end, and that is how you'll be able to reset your password for Just Connect account even if you've forgotten it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.